Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Roof Snow Guards is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for any homeowner living in a snowy climate, acting as a crucial line of defense against the potential dangers and damages that heavy snowfall can inflict upon your property. These devices are meticulously engineered to prevent large sheets of snow and ice from suddenly sliding off your roof, which could otherwise cause significant harm to people, pets, landscaping, and even the roof structure itself, thereby safeguarding your investment and ensuring peace of mind during the harshest winter months. Number 5. Cat Windshield Snow Cover. Tired of scraping ice and snow every morning? This cover eliminates the need for manual removal, saving you precious time and effort. It ensures your windshield stays clear, no matter the weather. Designed by a trusted name, this protector offers a perfect fit for most cars, vans, trucks, and SUVs. It comes with a convenient case for easy storage when not in use. Enjoy peace of mind with its anti-theft features. The side flaps tuck inside your vehicle for added security, ensuring it stays in place even in harsh conditions. Trust in a century of quality from Cat Automotive. This accessory is designed to keep your vehicle protected and performing at its best with reliable, innovative solutions. Install it in minutes and save yourself hours of frustration. It's also machine washable, making cleaning a breeze. Protect your vehicle and enjoy hassle-free mornings. This extremely durable, waterproof cover acts as a frost guard for your windshield. It safeguards your vehicle from the elements, keeping it in top condition year-round. What we like. Tired of scraping ice and snow every morning? This cover eliminates that hassle, keeping your windshield clear. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to start your day without the winter struggle, this is for you. Its universal fit and anti-theft features make it a reliable choice for hassle-free mornings. What people say. The snow guards are very sturdy and well-made. They effectively hold back snow and ice from sliding off the roof. The design is unobtrusive and blends in with the roof shingles. Number 4. VentSaver Easy Roof Vent Snow Guard. Meet the VentSaver Easy, your ultimate solution for protecting roof vents and chimneys. It's designed to keep your pipes and chimneys safe from the harsh elements. This guard is engineered to shield your vent pipes and chimneys from sliding snow and ice. Ensure your home's ventilation system remains intact all winter long. Featuring a large 4-inch wide fin, it offers increased strength and stability. This added support is crucial for the longevity of your vent pipes and chimneys. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel hardware, it's built to last. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust and weather-resistant construction. The mill aluminum finish provides a sleek look that can be painted to match your home's exterior or left bare. It offers both protection and aesthetic versatility. What we like. This guard is designed to protect your roof's vent pipes and chimneys from damaging snow and ice slides. If you have exposed vent pipes or chimneys on your roof that are vulnerable to heavy snow loads, this is a crucial addition. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting protection for your home's infrastructure. What people say. Very well constructed, designed, and easy to install. It's a little undersized to cut snow, it still builds up badly, but it's sturdy enough to keep the vent in place through a central New York winter. It will definitely be adequate for PVC vents. Everything is included in this kit. It is easy to screw to your roof. Number 3. BDK Windshield Cover, Ice, Snow, Hail Protection. Tired of scraping ice and snow off your windshield every morning? This cover eliminates that hassle, saving you precious time and effort. Its universal fit ensures it works on most vehicles, offering year-round protection from winter's worst. Measuring 78x43, this protector offers an ideal fit for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. It comes with a protective case for easy storage, keeping it safe and compact when not in use. Enjoy peace of mind with its anti-theft features. Side window flaps tuck inside your vehicle for extra security, ensuring it stays in place even in harsh winter conditions. It also protects your windshield from the sun's harmful UV rays, preventing damage and reducing internal car temperature. Plus, it shields against falling leaves and bird droppings, keeping your glass cleaner. Installation takes just minutes, saving you hours of frustration. It's also machine washable, making cleaning a breeze. Protect your vehicle from the elements with this durable, waterproof solution. What we like. This windshield cover offers more than just snow and ice protection, it also shields your windshield from harmful UV rays and debris. If you're looking for year-round protection for your vehicle's glass, this is an excellent option. It helps prevent cracking, fading, and keeps your car cooler in the summer, while also keeping it clear in the winter. What people say. The snow guards are made of heavy-duty metal and feel very sturdy. They were easy to install and seem to hold snow effectively. The design is discreet and doesn't detract from the roof's appearance. Number 2. JSP Manufacturing V2 Mini Roof Guard. Introducing the V2 Mini Roof Guard, designed to prevent snow and ice from sliding off your metal roof. Keep your property safe from potential damage. This innovative guard stops snow and ice buildup, protecting both your property and people from injury. It's a simple yet effective solution for winter weather. Crafted from high-impact polycarbonate, these guards are built to be stronger and more durable. They are designed to withstand harsh conditions season after season. The channels and grooves allow for a waterproof seal when used with a silicone sealant. Ensure a leak-free installation without the need for any additional hardware. This multi-pack includes 100 clear snow guards, each measuring 1.5 inches wide, 4 inches long, and 2 inches high. Made in the USA for quality you can trust. What we like. Designed for metal roofs, these guards prevent dangerous snow and ice slides, protecting both your property and people. If you have a metal roof and are concerned about snow accumulation and potential avalanches, these are a must-have. Their durable polycarbonate construction and easy sealant application ensure a secure, long-lasting solution. What people say. They worked great to prevent all the avalanches that I had the year before. Everyone was solid and easily installed, with metal-friendly caulk and 3 roofing screws. They hold back snow well, as intended. Number 1. JSP Manufacturing Clear Plastic Mini Roof Snow Guard. Introducing the Mini Snow and Ice Roof Guard from JSP Manufacturing. Designed for metal roofs, it offers a strong and durable solution to prevent snow and ice buildup. Installation is simple and requires no hardware. A silicone sealant around the base provides a watertight seal, ensuring no leaks. This guard effectively prevents sliding snow and ice. Protect your property and ensure the safety of people from potential damage and injury. Constructed from strong and durable clear plastic, it's built to last. Its compact size ensures it won't detract from your roof's appearance. Measuring 1.5 inches wide, 4 inches long, and 2 inches high, it's the perfect size for effective snow and ice management without being obtrusive. Available in a multi-quantity pack, you can easily cover the necessary areas of your roof. Get the protection you need with this convenient option. What we like. These mini guards are a strong and durable solution for preventing snow and ice buildup on metal roofs. If you need a cost-effective way to protect your roof and property from sliding snow, especially if you have a larger roof area, this multi-quantity pack is ideal. They provide a reliable, leak-free seal with simple sealant application. What people say. Easy to install and saved my gutters. Replaced lost parts very promptly. We used them on our roof and they went on perfectly. Quality PCS. And no fault of the product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.